Hello students. In this video, we are diving into the world of adjectives. Let's learn together. Adjectives are words that are used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing. They help us know these nouns better by telling us about their traits. Now, let's learn the types of adjectives. First is adjectives of quality. These adjectives tell us what kind of noun we are talking about. For example, I wore a colorful dress. Then, adjectives of quantity. These adjectives tell us how much or how many there are. For example, my class teacher gave us several books. Next is adjectives of number. Similar to quantity adjectives, these specify a number. For example, there are 5 beautiful roses. Another is demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives help us point to particular nouns. For example, these boots are mine. Lastly, we have possessive adjectives. These adjectives show ownership. For example, is this your jacket? Let's look into the degrees of comparison. Positive degree, a direct description, like, the cat is small. Comparative degree, used to compare two nouns, like, the cat is smaller than the dog. Superlative degree, used for comparing one noun to a group, like, among the 3 animals shown in the image, the ant is the smallest. Now it's your turn to answer. Give an example of a possessive adjective. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 3 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.